Hey, welcome to the studio. This video, we're going to be announcing the July Painting Challenge winners. There's always 3 winners. They're always the same. There's not a first place, second place, third place. They're all first place. But I just happen to choose 3 of them because, hey, 3 is one of my lucky numbers that I always choose. But we're going to have the 3 winners today that's going to be announced. It's going to be really cool. I can't wait to show you. Now, every single month, starting at the first of the month, we have a painting challenge where I show you how you could create different prompts, how you could have different variations of art, and how you could do this for yourself. That way you could collect different types of collectors out there who's going to buy your artwork. And you won't know if you try to do things yourself or if you try to go upon your own references. So what I do is I get you out of your comfort zone, but I still make it fun. So that way you're able to just create different things of art, and then you're able to put it out. It's not about who created the prettiest, the best art, because art is subjective. And you know me, I always say that, hey, we're selling our ugly art around here. I don't care. All right. That's one of the things that I say. I don't care. I say that we sell our ugly art around here, and hey, the market likes it. If you got a problem with it about how our art looks or how we're creating the art, then that's a personal decision. That's a personal choice on you. You want to stay broke because you want to be pretty for your friends and your family. You're not selling your artwork. We're selling our artwork. If you want to be mad at somebody, be mad at the market who's buying it. Be mad at the collectors who actually go to their jobs or they have a business and then they work hard, and then with their own money, they decide to give us the money, okay? But if you want to also learn how you can do this for yourself, how you can get the money, how you can get this from collectors, and stop waiting around for galleries, stop waiting around for people, or one day hopefully they'll like your stuff with newsletters and all that stuff. No, if you want to actually make the money today, then click the link below, join us inside the eBay art community so you can do this for yourself, and you can also be part of this art challenge. Now, the art challenge, what it consists of is that it's just that you're being consistent. Accountability. That's it. So only thing it shows on here is like a calendar to show that you've been showing up every single day. You've been doing the work. And then guess what? Whoever's going to be randomly selected as of today, you're going to win $100 cash prize, but also you get to have a one-on-one coaching meeting with me, with Moi, all right, where I get to go into your account, I get to see what's going on, I get to fix things, I get to tweak things like how I would run my store, all right? So you get to have that with an hour for me, where I get to show you also how to go about your routine in the future and how to change things from there. So you get an hour with me, plus you get $100 cash, however you want it, Zelle, Venmo, PayPal, whatever. So I'm excited to see who the winners are going to be today. Also, which is a cool thing, that on top of that, even if you don't win the cash prize or the winning thing, what you get is you get new collectors. All right, you get people who come to your store now. You get new collectors who are coming to your store, and new different variations, because I'm telling you, a lot of times you're gonna not want to do things that you don't want to do. All right, your brain is always going to choose the easiest route. Like we're biased, so maybe you don't want to paint a flower, maybe you don't want to do a UFO landscape with a cowboy, but this is going to get you out your comfort zone. You're going to do it, you're going to see that the audience loves it, and then you're going to be like, hold on, I want to paint more of it. So that's what we're going to do today. Let me show you the paint challenge that we have for the month of July, some of the prompts, how it works, how you're going to be able to populate the references, how we use AI to come up with the prompts and the references. You don't have to do anything. Only thing you have to do is click one button, and then you copy whatever the prompt says. You don't even have to read the prompt, and then you paste it into whatever your favorite art AI app, preferably Grok, because they have the best one. That's what I like to use. I've used all of them, but use Grok. And then I'm going to show you how you populate it, and then you get your own image. Now, the cool thing is you can do this for yourself for different art images. Okay, you can reverse engineer. We also have a tool for that inside the elite community. So let's get started with this. All right, so this is our July painting challenge right here. And every single month we have this, like I said. Now, how it works, you would just click in here, and then it's going to give you what the monthly painting challenge is. This one is called Endless Summer. All right. And this one was more of a fun expressionism, neo-expressionism, raw look. I wanted people to be loosened up. I wanted people to be expressive on this one. I don't want you to be too detailed and cuffed to whatever you're painting. So this is how we run it. And you can see these are the days right here. This is the calendar. Look, mine's is all in red because I didn't participate in any of these. I wanted you guys to win. I've already done this. I was doing this for myself 8 years. All right. But look, let me just let me select a random day here. Let's go with Wednesday the 8th. And let's see what it gives us. Look, Wednesday the 8th. And Let's see, let's copy it, and then we're going to put it into Grok. I don't know what the prompt just gave us right now, but whatever it is, we're just going to see what pops out. And look right here. This is what it gives us. It gives us this neo-expressionism sunflower look right here, and we're able to just have fun with it. We're able to have fun with it, and we're able to put it into our own style. We're able to create with this. This is the reference. We're able to do so many. But this is the cool thing too. Once you start doing things like this, you're able to make your own references that you want. Maybe you want to change it around from flowers, sunflowers, right? For example, and maybe let's just put right here, dogs. I don't know. Maybe you'll still, maybe you'll still give me some sunflowers or whatever because I didn't change the other words of flowers in the prompt. But I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, it didn't do it. I guess it still has flowers in there, but that's fine. Let's go back to like the second prompt is, because the thing is, for each day, you're going to just do 2 prompts. That's it. You're going to do 2 prompts. Then you're going to click this button down here, and that means that you finished it for the day. So now you can see where it turned green. So the people who have all of this filled in green, you send me a screenshot at the end of the month or at the end of each week. I'm able to see who was the most consistent, not about the most beautiful or any of that, who's most consistent. And then that's it. That's it. You're just doing the 2 prompts. So let's go back in here and let's go into the new one that they gave us. Let's see what this prompt is. Look how cool that is. Neo-expressionism fruit right there. And look at that. We could just have fun with that. I mean, there's just so many different variations. And then you can save it to your computer and we work off of the projector. Like this right here, I would be able to hustle this. I would be able to create this easily, sell it to the market for $100. This is how I'm able to give. And no one could ever come back and say to you, oh, you stole that idea. You took that. That's not yours. No, you created this because you just use technology to meet you halfway, and then you can have fun with it and create your own style of it. These are the things that sell. So that's just an example. I mean, there's so many different prompts that you can use, and you can do this for yourself. All you need to do is just join us, right? And then, I mean, you get a prize upon itself. So that's the challenge right there. Let me show you some of our members' artwork right here. I have to share it with you because I'm extremely proud. Look at this. This is so cool. So you could just see all the different types of artwork that's here that people put in. So like this was the skull. This is a cowboy. Skull cowboy. Look at this skull cowboy. You could just see the different variations, right, of each day. And then this was mine right here that I wanted to show. My skull, my cowboy. Skull cowboy. And you're able to get new collectors this way. So let's see what else we got. Let me scroll down here. And I mean, there's like 5,000 different posts on here, but you could just see, look how beautiful the art is from last month. This is all July's. Look, and you can see this person filled up their whole calendar. So they showed up every single day. Look at this. This is like a radio crab. Oh, this is a reference. Okay, not the painting. This is actually a reference from the okay, so this is the reference, and this is what they actually created. This is the actual painting. That's cool. People want stuff like that. People want stuff that's just authentic, raw, you. Look. How cool is that? Or look at this one right here. Look at this lion chilling out on the hammock. Work sucks. I am a lion. No stress. So you could just see all the different types of different variations. This is a koi fish right here. Cowboy. Another cowboy. Look like Clint Eastwood. Look at that, a crab hanging out at the beach. Lemons. So I just wanted to show you that right there. These are all the different things. I'm very proud of everybody who showed up who participated, and we have this running every single month. So it's not too late. You can join right now. All you have to do is just click the link. Like I said, join us inside the eBay art community. Learn how you can do this for your store, how you can start making the sales, how you can start making the money. You don't need social media. You don't need to chase the galleries. You don't need to do all of that stuff. The market is already there for eBay. Buyers are lazy nowadays. They don't want to go out into the market to brick and mortars. That's why galleries are closed. All right. They're here buying the stuff. So now let's go into our spin the wheel, our random selector. This one I was very accurate. Okay, I was very accurate on the screenshots that you guys provided to make sure that I have everybody in here who was able to populate and have everything in green. Okay, that you showed up on your artwork. I was very accurate on this one. All right, I caught a little bit of hell last month because I guess some of it wasn't whatever that accurate, but that's fine. I mean, like I said, the real prize is that you get to create different types of art, and that the more that you do this every single month, your confidence is going to go up, because you're going to be like, I know how to create that. I know how to create this. I've done it before. I know how to create lions, flowers, cheetahs. I know how to create all of it. All right. So without further ado, let's get into it. Let's find out who the first winner is. All right. Let's find out who it is. I'm excited. I'm super excited. This always excites me every single month. Let's do it. Let's spin the wheel right now. Let's go. Let's go. Fingers crossed. Who is it? Oh, Kim Clinton. Kim Clinton. Great job. You really deserve it too, because you've been putting in a lot of work. You've been putting in a lot of work. You've been consistent. But not only that, Kim Clinton is also part of the Business Builder Mentorship Program, where we work together on a one-on-one. I work inside of her account. I'm able to work her account like it's my store. Okay. So if you're also interested in that, so that way you can just focus more on the art side, the creating side. That's what I want you to do. I want you to focus on the art side, creating side. If you just want to do that and you want me to just go inside your store and I can fix things up, I run your promos, I run your campaigns, I tell you what to do, then also click the link below for the one-on-one business builder mentorship, and we could work together so I can do that for you. But I'm proud of you, Kim Clinton. Let me know. Let me know. I'll send you a message. I'll send you a message after this, how you're going to receive your money. And then, I mean, this is the cool thing too about, all right. So this is the cool thing too about Kim Clinton. Since she's part of the one-on-one mentorship program, right? She already receives one-on-ones with me whenever she wants. She already has my available calendar. So that's another incentive for you to join the mentorship, where I work with you personally on a one-on-one, is that you always have access to my calendar. You have access to my Telegram personal phone number, any questions. So she already has the one-on-one meetings with me, but she will be receiving $100 cash prize. So that's a bonus. Super, super proud of you. Great job. All right, now on to the next winner. Let's see who it is. Let's spin that wheel. Let's go. Let's see who it is. Oh, Tom Brickhouse. Man, I was secretly rooting for you. I didn't want to say anything, but I was secretly rooting for you. Always showing up, great artwork, being consistent. This guy stays consistent. He works hard, and sometimes you don't hear about it because he's working it, but sometimes he comes out and he pops out. He says all of the big wins that he has. He talks about all of the sales. He's like, you know what? I got this frames going on. I got this thing that's being sold. So he always comes out, pops out to talk about the great testimonies and the good things that's going on for him. So that's a blessing. Great to see that Tom won. I'll also will send a message to you after this, so that way you can get your prize, but also that you can set up a one-on-one with me, and we get to go back into your account and see what's going on and set some things up. So that's super exciting, man. Great job, Tom. All right. Last but not least, let's see who the last winner is, and let's spin that wheel. Come on down. Anna Torres. Wow. Now talk about somebody who really deserves it. She really deserves it. She's put in a lot of work. Her artwork is phenomenal. Her artwork is really, really beautiful. I mean, I I can't say enough about Anna Torres, you know, and she's such a great contributor to the community as well. She really helps out with questions. She really helps out with helping people, also with encouragement. But at the same time, she has time to pump out beautiful artwork. She's always there. She's been getting consistent. She's been getting better, and it's just great to see her growth. I mean, you know, she also has come through challenges herself. All right, let's just say it that way. She's come through challenges, and she's made it work for herself. So I'm just happy to see that you won. You deserve it. These are all great people who won today. I mean, this is great for everybody who's on this wheel. I'm super proud of everybody who was on this wheel. Everybody is a big winner in my eyes who was on the wheel, because you were being consistent. You were able to have more people come to your art store, and no one could take this away from you. No one could take away that you operated a business, that you were here in this point in time in your life. Like I always say, you didn't find me, we found each other. You were meant to be here, and this is awesome that you're here. No one could take away this business, and no one could take away the hard work that you did for yourself. So congratulations. These are the winners: Kim Clanton, Tom Brickhouse, Anna Torres. Congratulations. Everybody give them a round of applause. Everybody give them praise, and put them high up on the shoulders. So that's our winners today. If you want to learn how you can do this for yourself as well, if you want to learn how you can also be a winner, if you already are a winner, you're a phenomenal person. What are we talking about here? But if you want to learn how you can win these cash prizes or a one-on-one with me at the end of the month, then click the link below. Join us inside the eBay art community, so that way you can be part of the painting challenge. If you want to work personally together, where I run your account, I'm able to go inside, I'm able to make the tweaks and changes myself, so you don't have to wait on me. I do it. I set up your promos, I set up your discounts, I set up your algorithm. All right, I run your business like it's my business. Then also click the link below for the one-on-one business builder mentorship. All right, so this was a really great video. I'm super proud. I can't wait to go into the community right now to celebrate with my community on this one. All right, so I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching the video, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.